Welcome to the Continental Refrigerator Service video page. Today we will be discussing our front breathing undercounter drain line cleaning. Before doing anything, make sure the unit is unplugged and powered down. You will also need to remove any and all prepared or packaged goods from the unit. Pull the unit away from any wall to give yourself access to the rear. First, remove any shelving that may be in the way. You will need to do this to access the coil cover. In addition, remove the pilasters from the inside of the unit. You will then need to remove 4 Phillips head screws holding the coil cover in place. Keep note of where the thermometer is located. This will need to be placed back in that spot when reassembling. Gently pull the top of the cover towards you and down. Be aware that the evaporator fan wires may get hung up on the right side of the unit behind the coil header. Clear any visible debris from the drain hole and cover the drain hole with a clean, dry rag or cloth. From the back side of the unit, remove the rear cover by removing the 2 screws located on the bottom of the cover. Locate the drain tube coming from the bottom of the unit. Inspect for any visible debris. Remove the drain tube from the drain pan and use a CO2 or compressed air gun to blow any debris from the drain tube. Once clear, insert the drain tube back through the drain tube hold-down bracket and into the drain pan, ensuring there is a loop or water trap. You can then reinstall the rear cover. On the inside of the unit, remove the rag or cloth from over the drain hole and clean up any residual debris from the surrounding area. You can then begin reassembling the unit by reinstalling the coil cover, ensuring the evaporator fan wire is tucked behind the coil header and the thermostat is reinstalled in its original location. Finally, reinstall pilasters and shelves. If you have any additional questions, please visit our website at continentalrefrigerator.com or call us at 800-523-7138 and ask for the service department.